Good evening, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing good. So, apologize for not making the analysis video from past 2 days. I was not keeping well. Even the market was not keeping well. See, we have seen a huge fall in these 2 days. So, let's begin today the open interest analysis and we'll see what the big player are planning for this expiry. Let's follow by FII. In options, see, they have increased they call buying and also they increase their put buying. So now they have puts of 2,55,000 contract. So they have increased 6,000 contract and in call they have increased 12,000 contract. So they have 1,32,000 of call buying contract. The puts value is more than the call. So it means they are very much bearish now in options. And in future index contract, they have increased the longs, reduced the shorts by 1%. They have 55% long and 45% short. And stock future percentage 50-50 long and short. And we have seen a good sell off in cash market by FII. The value is amounting of 1975 crores. So a good sell off. So the view of FII is bearish only. Client are the retailers input. They were holding 2,95,000 of put writing. So today they have added 22,000 contracts. So they have 3,18,000 of put writing contract. Anyhow, they are sitting in loss with these positions of put writing. They have averaged their positions. And in call, they were holding 52,000 of call contracts. Now they have added 45,000 contract. So they have 98,000 contract in call. So they are very much bullish now. And in future index, we have seen they have added 1% long and reduced 1% short. They have 56% long and 44% short. And stock future percentage 84% long and 16% short. And they sold for 77.42 crores. So see the view of client is bullish. Very much bullish they are now. Promoters input they were holding only 2000 of put writing contract. Today they have unwinded this and made a fresh put of 9742 contract. So this is a very minimum contract for them. And in call they were holding 1,72,000 of call writing. Today drastically increased 58,000 contracts. So they have 2,30,000 of call writing contract. Very much bearish in options promoters are now. And in future index also they are very much bearish as they have a 66% short and 34% long. And in stock future percentage 68% long and 32% short. And they purchased for 2001 crores. It means see they are bearish and they are bullish in stock futures and purchasing in cash. Somewhere they believe the market has to recover, and even I believe they are betting on few of the good sectors like fertilizers and PSU bank, sugar sectors. Those segments they are bullish. That's why they are purchasing in cash market, and also they are holding a good percentage of a stock futures of a good stocks. So they are bearish in futures and options, but bullish in stock futures and cash market. DIA have purchased for 1,542 crores. So today the total cash flow was 308 crores. PCR Nifty today was 0.56 and Bank Nifty was 0.68. And PCR month end Nifty is at 1.17 and Bank Nifty is at 1.94. As per the PCR, the month end is bullish only. This week the PCR is slightly going into oversold zone. So it is a time to get a pullback or we can see a retracement also because the month end is bullish and this week it is slightly negative. Now let's begin the price action. We'll follow by global market, the US. In 1 day time frame, Dow Jones, see they have opened 200 points gap down and it is trading near 50 days exponential moving average. It has to act as a strong support to retrace from this level, and if it is still breaking this support level then we can also see a good fall. Now let's check Nasdaq in 1 day time frame. See it has almost broke the major support and it also has trading below all the exponential moving averages. So if we don't have any pullback from these levels, then we can also see a good fall. Mostly it will be taking the support of this level. Mostly it has to retrace from this level only. Because continuously 3 days of fall and it could not be fourth day. Anyhow, SGX is trading with 40 points higher now. VIX has gone up by 2%. It is at 14 now. Nifty, see what Nifty is stating after three consecutive red candle days, and it has also broke the 20 days moving average. This candle shows a shooting star kind of a candle where the pressure is on selling. The body which it has made, it is showing the selling is coming from top. So we have seen a very good pressure of selling here. So as per the price action, we can still see a good sell off in Nifty. It has to take a support of 18,175, or this could act as a very strong support of 18,115. So 18,100 we can consider. Bank Nifty, see it has almost has taken the support of this level of 20 days EMA. We have not seen that much pressure of selling in Bank Nifty. So the strategy should be for the coming week. See, we have a very good bearish positions made by FII and also bearish positions made by promoters too. And as per the PCR also, we are almost at a oversold zone. Very good pullback has to come in our market. So if suddenly we are getting a very good comeback in our market, then they want to move out the weak players. So that can also happen because see a very good number of call writing is there. On Monday or Tuesday, if we see a very good figure and all of sudden it is rising, then we can see a good bear people getting trapped on that strategy of the big players. Then we can also see a very good upside move. As per the PCR, the selling should has to stop now as per the PCR. And as per these positions, FII is bearish and promoter is also bearish. But if suddenly if we seen a retracement, then the promoter can also get trapped because they have a good call writing. What they can do, they can shift to call buying then. Because if they unwind this call writing, they will purchase call buying. And we have seen a very good put writing by the client. So this is a very strong support they have made. Put writing. They are not allowing to fall more. And here promoter have made a strong resistance of call writing where they are not allowing to move higher. So now the tug of war between these two positions, put writing and call writing by promoters and client. So now see anything is possible. Fall is also possible and moving high is also mostly. So just keep a eye when you are getting a good levels like this of 50 EMAs. Then we can purchase at these levels in Nifty and also in the Bank Nifty. If we're getting in deep, we can still purchase at these levels of 43,000 and also 42,600 or 42,500, a good level to buy. Keeping view the India VIX. If India VIX goes high, then there is no need of buying. We can think of selling. But most probably after 3 days of continuous selling, there should be some retracement or some consolidation has to be formed here for few days. So the strategy should be buy on dip and sell on rise. That's it for today, guys. Hope you like my analysis. So please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Happy weekend. Bye.